Hey, what's up everyone? CJ here, hope you're all doing well. This is going to be a very quick video, but as you can see, I've switched out my drum set. So right now, here in the studio, in my rehearsal space, I'm using my Sonor ProLite kit. This is the first time I'm playing this drum set, and I am really impressed with the sound. First of all, I've done a members exclusive video on both when I'm unpacking this drum set, but also I'm showing my members how I tune my drums. So if you want to check out how I tune and approach the tuning of my drum set, you can watch the video right up here. You gotta be a member to be able to watch that one, so if you want some extra bonus content, consider joining the channel membership. But anyway, I've done something that I've never done before in my drumming career, and that is using the black suede drum heads from Remo. So as you can see, on all my toms, except for the 14-inch, I didn't have a 14-inch black suede head, I'm using the Ambassador black suede batter head. And these drum heads sound amazing. As I said, I've never used these before, so it's a complete new experience for me, but they sound really awesome. And the cool thing about these is that the black suede heads, they're not as textured as regular white coated drum heads. So you kind of get a bit more punch and attack from the drum head, just like you get from a clear head. But you still get the warmth from a coated head. So you kind of get the best from both worlds, I guess. And yeah, it's really fun to try these out. And yeah, let's hear how they sound. All right, you guys. I don't know about you, but I am completely blown away by the sound from these drums. The drum heads are really awesome. They look really cool. And yeah, this ProLite kit, I don't even know which of my drum sets I love the most, the SQ1 or the ProLite. I don't know if I have to switch them out here in the studio, but I don't know. You know, they're my drum kits, so I can do whatever I want with them. But yeah. I am blown away by the ProLite sound, and I can definitely recommend a ProLite kit for anyone that just want to sound awesome in the studio. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.